Forward. I just didn't hit it hard enough. Can you believe yesterday there was no snow on the ground? And now there is.
Hard to believe these roads are all bare, no snow yesterday. Well, even the day before.
Is there school today?
No, school's canceled today.
That's what I figured. I didn't hear the bus go by. That's what I was wondering. Yeah, poor Becky, you gotta make a path for her.
Look, it's a no-name truck. Someone forgot to tell him that no name is a name.
Well, yeah, Brad told me that one day. He's like, you do know no name is a name, right? Is that a cop car up there?
Yep.
Okay.
Right up there by the pickup truck?
Yeah. Couldn't tell. Snow covered.
Yeah, the one that the SUV just totally cut off.
Oh, I must have missed that one.
Don't worry, video caught it.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, last night was a bugger to drive in this, but at least thankfully when I got off, everybody was smart and weren't on the roads. It was a nice 30-kilometer drive. Actually, I was doing 40.
Yeah.
So. Doing 30 coming on base, though.
Yeah.
Base seemed to have been worse than town. In a few days, it's going to start to melt.
Oh, yeah.
It's supposed to be +5 tomorrow.
Yeah.
They'll have like a 3-day winter. Yeah, like it's not even that busy today, see? I might get overstuck then.
There you go.
Do you want me to stop or keep going?
Hey, stop.